Welcome to the 7th module of the Advocate for Environment curriculum, which aims to introduce young people to the topic of biodiversity as a global issue, but also its impact at a local level. Understanding biodiversity will help you as an individual or as a group of young people to act response to how the loss of biodiversity affects our daily life and what we can do to reverse the negative development. In this module, you'll find facts about biodiversity and a step-by-step activity toolkit that shows you how collective actions can be organised by the local community to prevent causes of the loss of biodiversity or to prevent further consequences. Nature is our home, food, comfort, culture, health, medicine, safety, recreation and inspiration. It is our life support system. To protect biodiversity, we need real transformative change for humankind to realign priorities, values, behaviours and actions. Biodiversity is not only what we see and find deep in the forest, in the ocean or in a coral reef. Biodiversity also includes many different species that make their homes in our villages, towns or cities. That means near us, in gardens, streams, local bushes, and even in the school grounds. Making a short investigation of the living things we can find in our local environment is a good way to begin understanding biodiversity. A focus on locally found plants and animals can be relevant because it gives the opportunity to learn, respect, and take action regarding the local environment. A healthy biodiversity provides several natural resources for everyone. Protection of water. Water is required to support biodiversity. Without sufficient water, stress on species increase global biodiversity losses. Soil formation and protection. Soil protection by maintenance of biological diversity can preserve the productive capacity of soil. Pollution breakdown and absorption. Ecosystems and ecological processes play an important role in the breakdown and absorption of many pollutants created by humans and their activities. Contribution to climate stability. Biodiversity management can help mitigate the effects of climate change by sequestering carbon and increasing energy efficient measures. Maintenance of ecosystems. Biodiversity boosts ecosystem productivity where each species, no matter how small, all have an important role to play. Recovery from unpredictable events. Maintaining healthy ecosystems improves the chances of recovery of plant and animal populations from unpredictable natural catastrophic events such as fire, floods and cyclones, and from disasters caused by humans. Use BioBlitz to count species in your local community. A BioBlitz is an event that focuses on finding and identifying as many species as possible in a specific area over a short period of time. At a BioBlitz, scientists, families, students, teachers and other community members work together to get a snapshot of the area's biodiversity. Smartphone technologies and apps such as iNaturalist make collecting photographs and biological information about living things as easy as a part of BioBlitz. Therefore, BioBlitz is easy when you know what you need and where to start. So use BioBlitz to involve, observe, record and document living things in a short period of time. Biodiversity is important to people in many ways. Plants, for instance, help humans by giving off oxygen. They also provide food, shade, construction material, medicines and fibre for clothing and paper. The root system of plants help prevent flooding. Plants, fungi and animals such as worms help soil fertile and water clean. Biodiversity decreases these systems' breakdown. A healthy biodiversity provides quite a lot of services for free. The cost of replacing these, if possible, will be extremely expensive if we don't take care of biodiversity. Congratulations! Now you know more about biodiversity and about the needs of your community, and we hope that you will want to continue with your interests to learn more, to take further action and to inspire others to act. 1 million plant and animal species are at risk of extinction. The problem is that without biodiversity, humans are also in trouble. So act now.